Stop scrolling. Let's unbox the SHEIN outfits I got from House of Dainty. I can't wait to show you all that is packaged here by House of Dainty. They are the best in Lagos and all over Nigeria. Let's do this one after the other, shall we? Yeah! Okay. Now this is the first one we have. Who is ready for this? Wow, this is simply beautiful. Oh my god. House of Dainty, the surest plug in Lagos and all over Nigeria. I love this outfit. Wow, exactly as I ordered. This is beautiful, so beautiful. I'm going to rock this with either a black shoe or a white shoe. Yay! Okay, next. Wow, I love this. It sounds so nice. Let's look at what we have here. Woo. This is fine. Oh my god, I love it. Sweet gown. Yeah, and I see the label here. SHEIN. Ooh, I love this. Let's go for the next one. I cannot wait. Yup, I love this one too. Yeah, this is nice. Let's look at the label. SHEIN. Exactly what I ordered. My dear, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go and look for House of Dainty. They are on Instagram. They are also, I think they're on Facebook as well. Yeah, House of Dainty by Esther Anosike. Wow, look at this. I love this skirt. This is fine. I can't wait to rock this on Sunday. Now let's look at the label. SHEIN. Exactly what I ordered. Thank you so much, House of Dainty. Let's go for the next one. Wow. Oh my god, they didn't tell me it sounds so nice. Let's look at what we have here. I love this. Exactly what I ordered. And there is more from where it came from. Ooh, what is this? Hey, wow, look at this white shoe. I'm definitely going to get a white shoe for this. I love it. And let's look at the label. SHEIN. Thank you, House of Dainty. Oh, the best in Lagos, the best in Nigeria. Wow, I'm so glad I ordered for this and I got exactly what I ordered. I don't know what you're waiting for. Order for your outfit from House of Dainty by Esther Anosike. Thank you so much. Bye bye.